In this video, I'm showing you how to download and install one block on Minecraft. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's go and get straight into this guide. So the first thing you need to do is go to the link in the description to a website called CurseForge. And this is where we can go and get one block from. Then what you want to do is scroll down and go and select files, just like so, and this is going to go and show you all of the files we're going to go and need. So what you need to do is come to the main file and then go and look at the game version, and as you can see, this currently works for 1.19.2 down to 1.18.2. So that's important to note, and we're going and choosing which version of Minecraft we want to run. So let's go and tap on download, just like so. And the download started and finished pretty quickly. It's literally only a few megabytes. Now, all we want to do is go and put this file somewhere easy to access. I recommend putting it onto your desktop, just like so. And it's important to note that every browser puts downloads in different locations, but you can always go and find any file you download in your file explorer in your downloads folder. So go and look there if you aren't using Google Chrome. There we go. Then you can come and close off your browser, and we've now finished with our browser for now. So now what you need to do is go and double click on this one block zip file, and there's another folder inside of it. Let's go and tap into this, and then we've gone and got all the game information which we need. So this is essentially a map. So now we're going to go and install this map or save into Minecraft. But what I want you to do is go and drag this folder outside of the zip, just like so, basically extracting it. And as you can see, it won't take too long. And there we go. Now it's gone and put it onto my desktop just like that, and the file you need is the folder. You can go and delete the zip file just like that. Now the next thing you need to do is go and open up Minecraft. So go and tap on the search button and type in Minecraft just like so, and wait for it to load. And then once the launcher is loaded, what you need to do is go and tap on installations just like so, and make sure you go and use a release which is working with OneBlock. As you remember, OneBlock is currently working with Minecraft 1.19.2, so I can go and use the latest version. If it isn't, you'll need to go and create a new installation. So just click on new installation, choose a release which is working. So for example, 1.19.1 also works with it, and I'm just going to name that OneBlock, but you shouldn't need to do this. That is only if OneBlock is not going to work with the latest release. But usually latest release should work, so go and hover over it just like so, and then go and tap on this folder icon on the right hand side. It's going to go and open up a Minecraft file, and then what you need to do is go and tap on saves just like this, and then all you want to do is go and drag the OneBlock file into here. So let me just find it. It's quite far down, as you can see. Here it is, and then all I'm going to do is click on it and drag it in just like so, and there we go. Now you can come and close off that folder, and what you want to do is go and launch Minecraft. So either go and hover over it and click play, or go and click play in the carousel of options and press play, and I'll show you what to do once Minecraft has gone and launched. So here we are in Minecraft, and go and tap on single player, and as you can see, here is OneBlock original. So go and tap on it and then go and tap play selected world, and then Minecraft is going to go and load the world. And here we are on Minecraft OneBlock. As you can see, here is our only block, and then you can go and get started. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like, subscribe for more. Peace.